you snap, and then your toes start tapping. Give your knees a snap and let your hands start clapping. Anything can happen when you're happy tapping with Elmo. Don't need a map to find the king of tapping. I'm the baddest tap, the one who's on